Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to become Xero certified. Getting certified in Xero is a valuable credential if you're working in accounting, bookkeeping, or financial management, as it validates your expertise and can open up new career opportunities. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This is the main Xero homepage where you'll access your account. Once you're there, look for the login button and click it. You'll need to sign in using your Xero email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Try Xero for free to create one. Setting up an account is straightforward and gives you access to all the tools and resources you'll need for certification. After you've logged in successfully, open a new browser tab. In the address bar, type central.xero.com and press Enter. This is Xero Central, the hub where all the community resources, guides, and learning materials are located. At the top of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Learning to proceed to the Educational section. You'll now be directed to the Xero Learning page, which displays a comprehensive overview of available courses, recommendations, and upcoming webinar schedules. Take a moment to scroll down and explore the various course recommendations. This page is designed to help you find the right learning path based on your experience level and professional goals. If your goal is to get certified, look for the section labeled Xero Certification. Under this section, click on Get Certified. This will take you to your personal certification dashboard where you can track all your progress and view any certifications you've already earned. You'll also see badges that you've collected from completing various courses, which serve as visual markers of your achievements and expertise. Scroll down to view all the available courses. Keep in mind that some courses may not be visible right away because they require you to complete prerequisite courses first. This structured approach ensures you build a solid foundation before advancing to more complex topics. You'll also notice which courses offer badges upon completion, adding an extra incentive to finish them to see the full range of available courses. Click on Show More. This expands the list and also reveals a link labeled Our Certification Process. This link is particularly helpful if you want to understand the entire certification journey from start to finish. Click on that link to be directed to a dedicated page that explains in detail how the certification process works. This page will guide you on how to apply the knowledge you gain from each course and how to leverage your certifications effectively in your career. Scroll down to the FAQ section at the bottom of the page to find answers to common questions about timelines, exam formats, renewal requirements, and more. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to navigate the Xero certification process, from creating an account to tracking your progress and understanding how each course contributes to your professional development. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.